comment down below just your thoughts of today's video, and if you're in USA or Canada, I will ship this RX 5700 out to a lucky winner of today's video. Alright, make sure you like the video as well. Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I am just simply packing up some GPUs, and it looks weird that I have some Octaminers off the shelf now, but the whole reason as to why I am packing up a few of my GPUs here is because, again, I made a video about this already, but I just kind of wanted to go through just me packing all my GPUs into, I think, one box. So I'm going to attempt that, and we're going to see if it fits all in one box. But just to explain why I'm doing this, in case anyone else hasn't seen the video that I just did like last week, the reason why I'm packing these up is because I am trading for crypto mining specific cards. Okay, so I have pretty much 24 GPUs here. They range from, I think, about 10 1660 Supers, and then 6 1660 Ti's, and then I have about 8 RTX 2070s, which I just realized it's not 8, it's going to be 7. So instead of that one extra, 2070 I'm missing, I'm gonna also put in a RX 5700 and like 3 RX 580s in there in the box as well. So hopefully that will equal like a RTX 2070. And so yeah, about 26, 27 GPUs I'm gonna pack in a box, and I'm gonna be trading them for specifically 16 CMP 100 210s. And if you haven't seen the video before that I did just talking about the hash rate that I'm taking off, let's say for a Leo, I'm taking about like 2500 kilohash or so, all these GPUs together for mining a Leo, and then let's say I get those 16 CMP cards, I'm gonna get about 68 to 7,000 kilohash. So I'm getting a lot more hash rate for this trade here, but am I able to sell these GPUs alone myself to the gamers? Probably not. So I'm doing this through a company named BitPro IT. They take gaming GPUs and they are able to either buy the gaming GPUs in bulk, or you can do a trade-in, right, for crypto mining specific cards, which I am doing, and which they are actually already sold out of those CMP 100 210s, so don't bother. But if you have gaming GPUs you want to sell to them in bulk, they will do that. Okay, so they'll take it off your hands and be able to take your if you have lots of GPUs that you want to get rid of, they will buy them from you. Okay, so let's get packing here. I got a Panasonic microwave box here. Nice and strong, sturdy box. All right, it's not gonna break or bend or anything. Pretty strong box. So I've already put 3 levels of pretty much bubble wrap on the bottom here. Now I am gonna see how much room is gonna be able to take up for these 26, 28 GPUs in that box. If not, I was gonna see if I can fit it all in one of these boxes. I was actually gonna use 2 boxes, but I think I can fit all of them in one box just by looking at these GPUs. They're a lot smaller. So yeah, look at this EVGA 1660 Ti. This is a nice GPU. I got 2 of these, another 2 over here, 1660 Ti's. And yeah, but anyways, yeah, these are MSI 2070s, and then these are MSI 1660 Supers. Okay, these 6 here too. Okay, so let me try. I'm just gonna take out one first, and I'm gonna bubble wrap them and see how it fits in here. Then we'll do it in a snap. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is just with 8 so far. I have a feeling I don't think I can fit another 16, 17, 18 more in the same box, but I'm gonna try. I do have a few levels left. So I am no expert when it comes to packing, but if someone asked me, Red Panda, how do you pack your GPUs for shipping? Well, I think the best reason is going to be packing it in the original box, which I obviously do not have the original box for all of these GPUs, right? So for example, if you're shipping out a 6600 XT and you have the original box, it's probably best to, you know, put it in here and then ship it in like another box and maybe pad it around another piece of foam around this, right, in another box. That's how I would normally ship, you know, a singular GPU, but since I'm doing bulk like this, okay, and I don't have the original boxes for all of those cards, the most cost-effective and like efficient way is doing it like this. So I've wrapped each GPU in like almost 3 to sometimes 5 wraparounds with this like orange bubble wrap, which I got from the Mining King back when I got all those 120, you know, 3070s. You guys remember that? A lot of those 3070s, I kept all the bubble wrap for those because I knew that one day I would probably be packing up some GPUs. So that's how I'm shipping these. And you know, actually BitPro, they ship me a bunch in, you know, a big box like this, the CMP 100-210s. Very similar like this. Okay, let me try another 8 and I'm gonna see how full it gets. Okay, we got 16 GPUs packed in the box. It looks like I still have some room, but can I fit another 7 plus, I don't know, 4 more? Maybe I'll put two 5700s instead of the 3 580s. Yeah, that might be a better, hopefully better trade. Okay, I don't want to waste any time. Let me see if I can fit the rest in here. Oh, please. I hope so. Nope. I couldn't fit the last 5700 in here. I did get one in, so there's a total of yeah, 24 GPUs in this box. Yeah, I can't fit this anywhere. It's definitely not gonna fit. So I'm just not gonna tell BitPro I guess I put 8 2070s in here -1, but I put a 5700. It should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Just don't tell them. All right, guys. If you're watching this video, don't tell them. Don't tell them. Let's see if they find out. They're probably watching this video anyway. All right. So there you go. Is this box heavy? It's not heavy at all. Yeah. So 24 GPUs. 10 1660 Supers, 6 1660 Ti's, and then 7 2070s, and then 1 5700. And then again, trading all of these for CMP 100-210s, 16 of them to be exact. So, all right, well, I'm gonna finish it off with packing this right at the top. All right, another piece of pretty thick bubble wrap here. And this box should be ready to go to ship to BitPro. Okay, all right guys, yeah, I can't do it with one hand. I'm gonna tape it all up and then get it all shipped out. But yeah, success, was able to fit all the GPUs in one box. Now I'm ready, and actually I can use these now for my 3070s that are in my other basement that I'm having an issue with 2 of the X8 Ultras. Yes, I can swap out the motherboards. Yes, yes. Okay, my friends, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts of, I guess, my packing. If I did a good job, a bad job, let me know. I'm not a packing expert. This is not packing, you know, GPU packing advice, but I think I did pretty good. They're all well packaged and bubble wrapped all around, all of them. Okay, all right, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a good one. Peace out. Now, if anyone came to the very end of this video, a giveaway. All right, comment down below just your thoughts of today's video, and if you're in USA or Canada, I will ship this RX 5700 out to a lucky winner of today's video. All right, make sure you like the video as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and I'll choose the winner after 24 hours. You guys have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.